Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry the camera's foggy again, but today we are going to go mudding in the wheel horse. It is wet today. We had a lot of rain. There was a lot of puddles everywhere. And I think this is the perfect time to go mudding in the wheel horse. So let's see what it can do. We ain't to the mud yet. We still gotta get to it. Guys, the wheel horse just stalled. Uh-oh. The starter's not working. Hang on, let me try to get this started off camera. Guys, I just found the problem. Look at the positive terminal. It snapped off. It got too old. So we're gonna have to get a new positive terminal wire. And unfortunately, I don't have any of those, so we're gonna have to tow it all the way back. The plan is to get the chain in the trailer. We're going to use the John Deere to tow the wheel horse back up here. I can't keep it at the house because there is so much rain lately. Alright, so we have the John Deere hooked up to the wheel horse. We're fixing to tow it now. The John Deere cannot pull it up here. Can't get the wheel horse up the hill with the John Deere. The jump Deere. No. Guys, this is crazy. I can't get the wheel horse up this hill. We finally made it. That was crazy.
Yep.
John Deere could just barely pull it. Alright, so we got the wheel horse back in there. We pushed it in there. The wire just snapped off because of corrosion. There was so much corrosion that it just snapped off. But it's not a big deal. Alright guys, it is several days later, and of course we have a funky camera again. But anyway, we got the wires for the wheel horse, the new battery terminal wires. They're 2 feet long, they're 6 gauge, one red and one black. So after we get the camera to unfog itself, we're going to go over there and install it. I know the negative terminal is still intact, but I want to go ahead and replace that too, since it's just as old as the positive wire, and it's probably going to happen to that wire as well pretty soon. Wait for the camera to unfog and then we'll install the wires. So while we wait for the camera to unfog itself, I'm actually going to go ahead and work on this tire because it appears to be flat. This is the front right tire if you're sitting in the driver position. No, front left tire. It is flat as can be. It's got a tube in it, so I should be able to pump it up, assuming there's no leak in the tube. So I took the tire off, aired it up, and then brought it back over here. It appears to have a very fast leak around the valve stem, and this has a tube in it, so I'm either going to have to patch the tube depending on what the leak looks like, or just replace the tube. I'm hoping I won't have to do that, but I fear that that's probably what's going to end up happening. Let's go ahead and get the battery terminals installed. Alright guys, so we have the new wire installed. It's time to see if the wheel horse will run. Alright, it worked! Alrighty, we are riding around finally on the wheel horse. Something badly messed up about that tire going. Yeah. Alright, so we did a ride around. Everything is running fine. I mean, everything is functioning perfectly fine on the wheel horse, but it looks like the 2 front tires are going to need to be checked out by a tire shop. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to post a video tomorrow, but I am, after this day, going to take these tires to the shop and check them out. But other than that, the wheel horse is running fine again. New wire, new positive wire. I did not replace the negative one because the negative wire is so hard to get to. Venting issues with the gas tank. That ground wire, the ground bolt is so hard to get to. It's right underneath the engine. I don't know why they did that. That may be the only one dumb thing wheel horse actually did to designing this thing. But other than that, it's a very well designed mower. So the tires will be next. We're going to get those checked out in another video. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.